What's up, everybody? I'm back, and I am in beautiful Lihue, Hawaii this week, and Alaska Airlines has just officially merged with Hawaiian Airlines. So as a little celebration, we're going to be doing a little Hawaiian plane spotting this week. So we're here at Ninini Point, I believe it's called. I don't want to mispronounce anything. I feel like, and I also don't want to be that like obligatory white guy who's like going out of his way to pronounce everything like in the way it's supposed to be. But do correct me if I do mispronounce something. But anyway, we're here at Ninini Point Lighthouse, and we're at the end of the approach runway, and you get a lot of really cool shots. First of all, coming in on the plane is absolutely spectacular, but then once you're here and you see not only the variety of planes, now it is mostly Alaska and Hawaiian landing, you do get some United and Southwest, but you get a lot of really cool older style planes that I didn't even know still flew. I saw a Boeing 717 earlier. That was really awesome. I've never seen one of those. It almost looks like an MD-80 with the like, maybe if that's wrong too, please correct me. But I think it's an MD-80 that has the like horizontal tail stabilizer on it. It is really cool. But we're gonna check out here to check out all the approach patterns, and then I think I have a spot picked out on the other end of the runway for takeoffs. This is, like I said, I think I said it, is one of the most beautiful spots that I've ever seen for aviation. It's just clear skies and beautiful days all the time. You get a lot of smaller aviation too. It's tons of helicopter tours going on, tons of smaller aviation tours. There's also a couple smaller airports. You got Allen Bradley, I think was that way, I think to the south, and then Princeville up on the north side, I believe, of the island. And both of those spots provide great views for smaller Cessnas, things like skydiving tours, and of course the helicopter tours of the island. And then of course you have the main airport here in Lihue, which is one of the coolest airports I've actually ever seen. It's the first indoor-outdoor combined airport I think I've ever seen. I didn't even know they still did that or did that anywhere. It's really fascinating. I'm going to do a little tour of it when I get in there. It's really cool, actually. It's unlike anything I've ever seen before. But we're going to see what kind of planes we could get here on the approach pattern today. I'm moving my legs so you can actually see the lighthouse. And we're going to see, I think it's mostly 737s we got coming in, but I'm going to see if I can't find anything else really cool for everybody today, as well as get some really nice shots of the islands, because it is absolutely spectacular out here. So let's see what we can find. I've loaded that plane. course, you do have the lighthouse, which I can't get inside of. I wish I could, but the best I can do is an outside shot for everybody. This is the first lighthouse I've ever actually been to in my entire life. They're all over the island. I've drove past a few of them. I don't know if any of them do still function or not, but the view from this one's spectacular. I mean, you can get off your plane, hop into your car, and get this view immediately. It's pretty ridiculous. Now for departures, this isn't exactly a public beach, so I wouldn't recommend it for anyone other than plane spotters, but over here, I don't even know, there's a recreational pier, forget the name of it, but if you have a trail to crawl down and you are willing to go a little bit off the beaten path, there's this little cove here that is right at the end of the departure runway. That is really awesome. As for the airport, this is sort of what I was talking about before. All the gates and shops are within their own little cubicle, but all of the baggage carousels and the seating areas and security checkpoints and stuff are all this crazy indoor outdoor type deal. It's definitely one of the cooler things I've ever seen. I wish they'd probably do this more at other airports. Obviously it gets cold somewhere. It's not always as beautiful as it is here, but this is actually really cool. This is really cool. I dig it. I've always wanted to do that.